Alright ladies, let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about what it really means to love a man? I know, it might sound like an odd question. I often get comments saying things like, why should we care what men think or feel? But here's the thing. Imagine ignoring something that could help you become a better daughter, sister, or partner to the men in your life. Personally, I love learning about how women think and feel. It's helped me connect deeper with the people around me, so now I invite you to stop multitasking and give me your full attention. Today, we're diving into how to truly love a man in a way that builds a secure, lasting relationship. Even if you've heard the term secure attachment before, I promise you'll learn something new. Let's start with this. When we talk about secure love, I want you to picture connection with ease, not pressure or intensity. Imagine this. Instead of holding someone so tightly that they pull away, think of love as an open-handed gesture, a natural flow between two people. When ego gets involved, love turns into control. But secure love, it's about feeling connected without clinging. It's about sharing space, not taking it over. Now think about dancing with someone. Let's break it down. Ego love says, I love how you make me feel. Real love says, I love you for who you are. Ego love tries to fix or control. Real love accepts flaws and honors freedom. Ego love brings up old wounds and fear. Real love owns mistakes and takes responsibility. You might be thinking, I love without ego, but ask yourself, have you ever tried to change a man? Have you ever doubted him because of your own fears? Let me share a quick story. One of my clients was dating a guy who, honestly, preferred texting over calling. She wanted a short phone call every night, but, well, he was usually tied up with work. So, what does loving without ego look like here? You've got two choices. First, tell him that a quick call matters to you and see if he's open to meeting you halfway. If not, and this need is really important to you, then, find someone else who values calls over texts. Or, you adjust, go with texting, and truly be okay with it. But if you choose this path, don't complain or try to change him later. Because love should never feel like a burden. It's not about thinking daily, why can't he just do this one thing for me? Let's talk about how many of us define love. I often hear women say, I just love the way he makes me feel, and yes, that's powerful, but remember, those feelings come from within you, not from him. If you tie your happiness to someone else, then when they leave or pull away, it feels like your joy leaves too. That's a dangerous place to be. Let me give you a simple analogy. Think of your favorite comedian, someone who always makes you laugh. Now, if they walk off stage, do you suddenly forget how to laugh? Of course not. You don't rely on them to bring you joy. You know how to access it yourself. Love works the same way. You have the power to feel whole and happy, even on your own. When you constantly chase someone, you're usually chasing the feeling they give you, not the person themselves. It's like being thirsty and running after someone for water, because you haven't discovered the river already flowing inside you. Now let's talk about something super important, choosing the right man to love. Even if you're emotionally stable, being with someone who's insecure can slowly drain you. So, you need to be smart about who you give your time and heart to. If you're still watching, here are 5 signs of a secure man. He communicates honestly. He's open about how he feels and doesn't shy away from real, deep conversations. He has a full life. He enjoys things outside of the relationship and, he encourages you to do the same. He respects your boundaries. He doesn't pressure you or act jealous when you're with friends or just need some alone time. He's supportive. He lifts you up, celebrates your wins, and doesn't feel threatened by your success. He's open to growing. He wants to improve, both for himself and for the relationship, not just when things go wrong, but all the time. So, look for a man who shows these traits consistently, not just in the beginning. That's honestly how you build a relationship that's healthy, strong, and secure. And that's it, ladies. If you want to go deeper into this topic, I recommend reading the book, Attached. It's all about how adult attachment works, and, how it can help you build lasting love. As always, leave your thoughts or questions in the comments. I really love hearing from you. And remember, your relationships change when you change. Have a beautiful day.